my name is Ashneena. Today I am going to tell you if I get the chance to live in a desert, so I will be very happy. Because in desert there is no smoke pollution due to less traffic, no noise pollution due to less stress, which is good for our health. In desert there is a nice view of sunshine which put us in a good mood. Thank you.
If I have given a chance to live in a desert, I will not avail that. Because the life in the desert is very tough, and people that live in the desert face shortage of food and water. People travel from place to another place for search of food and water. Considering the tough life, I will never opt the chance of living in a desert.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hania Manuela and I'm from class 4B. If I would get a chance to live in a desert, so I'll go happily there because it is a very quiet and peaceful place due to less population. The air is very clear because of no pollution. We get such a lot of sunlight in the day, and at the night the weather is very cold and we have no environmental problems too. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Mojaman. I am from class 4E, and the today's chapter is of social studies, and that is living in the desert. And when I will got a chance to live in the desert, I have two reasons for that. There is a lot of sunshine in the desert, which is rich in vitamin D, and second is I want to see the beautiful sunset of deserts, and there is no pollution. Okay, bye, be safe and stay home.
Hey guys, today I will be sharing my opinion about living in a desert. My answer would be no. The first reason to my answer would be due to the extreme temperatures in a desert. As we live in a city, we use ACs and fans to keep ourselves cool. And comparatively, our city has a more moderate temperature than the temperature in a desert. The second reason to my answer would be due to water scarcity. As we know that water is one of our basic needs of life, we cannot survive without it. And if we live in a desert, it would be very hard for us and the survival would be very hard. So guys, this was my opinion and I'm waiting for your opinions. Thank you. Bye bye.
I don't want to live in a desert. The life in desert is very difficult as the climate is extreme, either hot or cold. There is shortage of water and sometimes and there is no plant. There are no plants or